Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Swift UI inside. Today we need to see this here the product detail screens. Look like this UI we need to developing. Let's start here the part one. Need to start at here. We need to make here the this title forms as well as the app bars and this bottom. Also need to make look like this here the UI and also this details need to developing here. First of all, so need to create here the new screens. So need to add here. Now need to go inside here the shop folders, create here the new from the templates. We need to select here and we need to select this here the shift UI view, and we need to give this here the names as a product detail screen, like so need to creating here, and also need to show here the canvas preview. We need to also try to since with here the codes is this good, otherwise we need to not needs. Now we need to set here the z stack. We need to first of all the put here, and we need to copy this here the product detail screens, and we need to copying here the app bars. Need to copy here first of all, so need to copying any one app bars. Need to go filter screens is good. Now we need to set here this here, and this scroll you also need to take here, and we need to go here's bottom. Maybe we need to copy this all codes is good. Copy this body, and we need to go inside here the product details and replace with this years, and unused codes we need to remove. First of all, we need to put this here the short dress titles like here's, and we need to set this here the environment variable. First of all, environment present dot modes brackets inside binding with present modes. Like this, we need to declaring here for the present modes, and you need to make here the another buttons. We need to copy here and need to paste this here. Now remove here dismiss, and you need to check here the share buttons. We need to check inside here the pounds any this share. We need to copy here because iOS are the use for the share different icons. That's one to use this one. iOS is we need to put it here, and we need to paste here up and downs, and this is the price range. We need to not matters it to clear this all things, no needs. Maybe we need to remove here these all things. We need to remove here is good. Category also no needs, brands no needs. Need to clean everything with this code, and remove here one buttons, and need to change here one button to set here add to carts button, add to cart like here's. Need to showing here for these buttons, removing here this one. Now I need to wait here the loading this here this ones. With this bottom shape area included here, this is white backgrounds, and opacity also need to provide it here, and need to change this screen software. Need to reflect maybe. Now loadings and show here the dress related UI. Here reflecting this ones minus ones, and need to scroll, and now we need to set here the some hide space before. So need to use this here. Use this here the v stack, and we need to set here the frame. Set here the height. We need to set here the temporary 300s. Need to give for here the image space. So need to set it here. And then after, so we need to draw here the another v stack. So need to use here. And we need to set here the padding horizontal. So need to set here the 15s, and set here these titles. Need to given this here. So now need to set here the hashtag for the titles, and price we need to show here. So we need to paste this code, and now need to check this here the fonts. We need to add a 2 means here the use this here the 24s, Semi-bolts need to use here 24 semi-bolts. Set here these titles as a H and M like here's, and max labs need to providing here's. Another's need to copying here. This one's also need to remove here like here, and also need to set here verticals 15 for this UI. Again, so need to copy some codes. We need to paste this here, and we need to set here the price. Remove here left, no needs. Now need to clean, and we need to declare this here the dollar 9.99, like this value need to showing here for this UI. Now again, so need to copy here, paste this here, and I need to subtitles need to providing here the short black trace, like here the subtitles, and we need to use this here the placeholder text as color like here, and we need to set here the font size 11 regulars. We need to R11s. We need to use here. So we need to create it like this here the shortcuts for the fonts, custom fonts need to give on this here and show like this to designs. We need to showing here. So maybe you need to change here the 20 for this UI, and now display code here. Now we need to draw here the rating bars. Already makes inside here the item cells. We need to copying any ratings bars. So we need to copying here, and now need to find out here this is one is the rating bars, and I need to put here like here's the ratings. We need to showing like here's. We need to centers, maybe make here alignments as a max left like here is now showing here for these ratings. And now then after we need to show here the details, and we need to set this here the verticals alignments 15. So we need to providing here, and we need to copy this text description text. We need to put in regulars. We need to use here, and text colors primary text, and replace with this here the text show like here, and this data showing like here the all data for this here the max. Now we need to draw here the another. So we need to drawing here the buttons. We need to put here. Now we need to scroll down here, and we need to make here the divider. We need to copy here, paste this here 3 times, 4 times. We need to put here. Now make here the buttons of these here. Now we need to go inside here the filter screens, and we need to copy here the brand UI. To copy these buttons here, and we need to paste this here. Now remove here text, cut here, replace with this here. Now need to set here the item details, and we need to check here the font 16 regular R16. So need to use here for these regular fonts. Remove this here the toggles and show like this here, and we need to make sure remove here horizontals, maybe no needs. Now need to clean here, maybe need here, need to set here the 20 as per UI. Maybe need to draw here the another wish text is good, and we need to cut this all data, paste here, and we need to set here this one, removing here, maybe not good, because we need to dividers pools need to needs, that's why. And image, we need to set here the foreground color styles, need to cut here to paste here, remove here the verticals needs here. Now cut here the copy, and we need to paste this here again. Now second one, we need to give this here the swapping info, like here. Then after you need to show here the support, and maybe not reflecting, so need to change here the screens and check here. Now this is our the updatings, and remaining UI we need to develop here the tomorrow. We need to first of all the configure this here the UI screens, how to opening here. So we need to configure here. First of all, we need to go inside here the carts product list cards since inside we need to go here the cart product list screens. We need to go here, and we need to write down here the one flags for the open this here the show details. We need to set here the state where show detail by default. We need to set here the false like here, and then after we need to scroll down, and we need to set here to active this filter screen to copy here, paste this here, and now need to replace with here the product detail screen, and we need to show details like we need to setting here the flag, and now we need to go inside here the filters, show here the size toggles. We need to comment this line of code, and we need to write down here the show detail toggles. We need to call here for this click events, and also uh, this one click event. So need to set here the comments because we need to disable this here the. Now we need to run here the real device inside the simulators, and to test here for working this here the flow or not. So need to test here. Now successfully built this here the this data, this line of code. So need to running here inside the simulators, and now ready to prepare this here the loading here screens, and we need to wait here a little bit more. No, check here, and now need to go shop, select any categories and subcategories. Then after tab 1 here and opening this here, this look like this here the detail screens need to showing here. Now this is our the configuration. If you click here, and also need to show like this here the detail screens, and set it this here. And tomorrow need to make this here the cover this here the this portions, as well as need to this bottoms here the sub products need to showing here the related to likes others products list need to set show here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.